Hello YouTube, I've got here a delivery today, and let's try to find out what's inside. I can open this here, and inside is, weight-wise, looks like a locomotive, and 2,900. A nice letter from the person who sent it, thank you very much. And inside is a Minitrix Britannia 7000, and what you can also already appreciate is that the side work here is damaged. I will take the locomotive out, so it's damaged on one side and missing on the other side. Well, that's not too tragic. Now, if I take out my rolling road, I'll just see whether I managed to get this locomotive running or not. Let's put good amount of voltage on it. I put here 9 volt on it, and let's see whether if connecting it will run. Doesn't seem to run in this direction. Surprised why it doesn't run. Well, maybe it just doesn't run at all. So let's turn it around and see whether it's running at all or not. No. In direct contact on to the pickups doesn't suffice. Oh, there is this light now, but definitely no movement to the wheels. To my knowledge, I can't. It requires pickup from the wheels and not from the rear wheels, and not to the running wheels. Yes, so something isn't working. The fact that we get light on the motor, light on the locomotive, means that the circuit is still working. Maybe if I have a quick look inside, I can at the quick find out what the problem may be. Let's take the screw out, take the body off. Oops, the engine weight here has come off. Let's put it back in position. Let's see if I apply electricity straight onto the motor whether this makes a difference. It does. So as you can tell, applying electricity directly onto the motor proves that the motor is still working. The problem seems to be somewhere else, and I hope I'll be able to identify the problem fairly soon. Otherwise, it's a very nice and well-maintained locomotive. I just struggle to hold it here. As you can see, the siding is all over the place now. Thanks for watching. This is a eBay purchase, not too bad. Minor fixing required.